Okay. Prepare the bag and the blanket for Kim before they go in the washer. Take a look. Okay. And this one. Okay, now I'm going to wash them in my new washer and dryer. Okay. They're in almost. Close the door. Okay. Now to this side, turn it on. Ooh, kitty, look at him in the door. Okay. Now decide to cycle. I think we'll just put them on normal. And I'll wash them on cold. Because I wash everything on cold. Just be on high. And they're not soiled at all, so we'll leave that there. I'll leave the beeper on. And we'll push play. There they go. Toby, look, the blanket. Toby, look what's in there. Oh, what is that? Oh. Okay, it was making some sort of noise, so I opened it. Oh, look! I tried to wash my clippers. Okay, we'll take those out and start it again. Okay, push play. Okay, I'm just checking on the blanket. Yep, they're in there. I still have 17 minutes, 16 minutes to go. It's on the rinse cycle. Let's see, rinse. We'll be back. Yay, it's done! Okay, now we gotta take it out of the washer. Yes, it's been washed. Oh, maybe I should open the dryer first, since I'm doing this one-handed. Dryer's open. Get the blanket out. Oh, the bag came first. Oh, pretty good ragging. I don't know if you can see. Okay, throw it in the dryer. Ooh, look at all that lint. Maybe you can't see it. Ooh. Oh, look, a little piece of fabric I forgot about. Oh, for good measure. Okay, the lint filter is going to be full on this one. Set the washer. Oh my gosh, look at all that. Oh, geez, I gotta wash towels next. Okay, into the dryer. Shut the dryer. Okay, now, the dryer's pretty tall, so I'm gonna have to find the setting for it. We'll first turn it on. Oh, it's so happy to see me. I like my dryer. Okay. Let's put it on normal. Now let's towels. Normal. Okay. And let's see, do we want to change any of these settings? I don't think we can. Oops. No. Ew, what is that? Oh, that's the beeper. Well, leave it on high because I really like the beeper. It's kind of cool sounding. Okay, now we push play. Start! And there it goes! In the dryer! And there's me shooting a video. There we go. Off to the side so you can't see me. I guess I should be out of this picture. This looks pretty silly. See my reflection of myself in the dryer. But hey, it works as a good mirror. Ooh. Ooh la la. I gotta hold the camera straight. Okay, I missed the happy song that tells me that it's over. But if I, oops, there we go. If I find something else I can't find, I can see if we open the dryer, out comes the thing, and it's still damp. Oh, crud. No, it's not crud, but I should have put it on like blankets or something. That's dry. I'll take that out. We will start it again. I have to turn it on again because it turned itself off because I waited too long. I should have put it on towels. Heavy duty. Oh. Put it on heavy duty. Oops, can you see that? Sorry. And let's push start. It's got 24 minutes to go. I don't think it'll take that long, but whatever. So, enjoy.